Hello everyone, welcome to this new video by Chez Mamie where the French cuisine is made easy. So today we're gonna make a rice pudding, or riz au lait in French, which obviously calls for an easy recipe. So what do you need for an easy rice pudding? You will need 1 liter of milk. You will need 130 grams of rice. Then you will need 50 grams of sugar, and to give some flavor, 1 vanilla bean. If you don't have a vanilla bean, that's fine. You can also use some vanilla extract or vanilla powder if you do have. And then 1 lemon zest. Again, if you don't have any fresh lemon, you can use some kind of lemon extract as well. Are you ready? So let's start. So first, let's cut the vanilla bean right in the middle, just like that. Easy. Now let's take our lemon and make a zest. So please note that I will cut a large piece that will be easier to remove when the milk is boiled. So some people also like small pieces, so you can cut and then leave some pieces in the rice pudding if you want. That's really up to you. Don't cut too much of the white here part, and instead use the very skin. So as you can see here, that's quite a big chunk of lemon zest that I will put in the milk when boiling. Then please let me give you a free tip here. So usually when you boil milk, the saucepan tends to get burnt. You know what I'm talking about, right? So the trick here is to place a small plate in the pan. And now you can pour your milk after that. So 1 liter of milk. And when boiling, the plate will move a little bit, and that will be a sign that the milk is boiling indeed. And then I will add the lemon zest as well, and the vanilla bean. And now we can just boil the milk. Let's start. Now the milk is boiling, and we can add our sugar. And also gently pour our rice. And just before that, here stirring a little bit. Just before that, watch out because that's very hot, obviously. Just remove the small plate that I put in it as a free tip for you, so that you don't have to fully clean the saucepan later on. And then you just pour gently your rice. Now that the milk reached its boiling point, you just let the rice cook very gently for 45 minutes. I mean very gently. so that the rice can slowly absorb the milk. So very gently for 45 minutes. Et voilà! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Please add your comments down below. That's always appreciated. You will find more recipes by Chez Mamie, where the French cuisine is made easy.